All right, y'all, so it's Jeff, and I've been having some pretty good luck up here at Bartlett Lake. So I figured I would come back up here at Bartlett Lake, see what I can catch here today. I'm going to be using some bigger bait again today, so hopefully I can catch me some bigger fish. A couple of weeks ago, I caught like a 6-pounder, 6-pound channel cat. Hopefully I can catch me a 6-pounder, maybe even a little bit bigger one here today. So I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to be using some shrimp and some shad. And so I'm going to check it out and see. Once again, this water has came up probably like another 5 feet here this week. So in the past 2 weeks, this water has came up probably about 15 feet, something like that. But also, I want to give a shout out to some of my subscribers, my recent subscribers. Rob's Friday Night Fish Fight. Thank you, Rob, for watching my videos. Thank you for the comments. DJ Ron the Mechanic. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you watching my channel. Fishing_580. Ryan R85. Laderick J. Jesse M, and Stephen Nally. Those are some of my recent subscribers. I do appreciate you guys watching. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you're one of my regular viewers, welcome back. I do appreciate you guys too. So anyway, I'm gonna give it a shot here today, see if I can't catch me some of these catfish. So let's get to fishing. Got him. Can't tell how big he is. All right, he's a small guy. He's probably about a pound, but he tried to get that whole piece of shrimp in his mouth. He was working on it. So anyway, let's get him off the hook. All right, like I said, he's only about a pound, but yeah, that is the first fish. Look at the spots on that guy. All right, let's get this guy back in the water. Yeah.
I'm watching video, man.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
Are you catching any fish today?
I just caught one. That was it. He wasn't very big. He was only about a pound.
A little channel?
Yeah.
I'm trying to catch some bait. I want to stay all night, but I haven't caught any bait yet.
Well, I'm using just shrimp here today.
I've got some nice rollers and chicken.
That
I'm
should
gonna
do
catch
it.
some flyby with flathead tonight. Anyway, man, I like your videos. I saw the one last night.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Good luck.
Yeah, good luck to you. Hopefully you will catch the big one tonight.
I'm gonna try. I caught that 20-pounder back in October, but I haven't caught any since flathead.
It's cool enough. They should be biting.
Should be. I'm gonna go up there in some deep water. What do you think?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, well, good
Thank you, sir. He tried to get it in his mouth. Got him, but I don't know how big he is. All right, that guy's a little bit bigger than that first one. He's a little bit bigger than that first one. Yeah, not very big though. This is probably, his stomach is like super full, so he's probably around a pound and a half. All right, let's get him off the hook. Yeah, like I said, he's only about a pound and a half. His stomach is like completely full. I mean, it is full. I don't know what they're eating out there, but they're eating something, and whatever they're eating, they are full on it. Maybe that's why I'm not getting very many bites today. But anyway, yeah, probably about a pound and a half. All right, let's get him back in the water. All right, y'all, so I've been up here for about 4 or 5 hours now. It's starting to get evening time. The sun is starting to go down, it's starting to get cold. All I caught was 2 fish here today. But a few days ago, I was at Tempe Town Lake and I caught this catfish at Tempe Town Lake. Here it is. First fish of the day. All right, he's probably about 2.5 pounds. Probably about 2.5 pounds. Let me get him off the hook. right, yeah, he's 1.6 pounds. 1.6 pounds. So he's about a pound and a half. 1.6 pounds. But yeah, nice little catfish. All right, y'all, let's get him back in the water, see if we can catch one bigger. So after I caught that catfish at Tempe Town Lake, I didn't get any other bites there, so I just went on ahead and went home. But yeah, so today it wasn't a bad day of fishing. I was getting bites. I got a couple of really good bites, but they just hit it once and then they left it alone. But you know, it was still a good day of fishing. You know, the older I get, you know, if I don't catch anything, it's okay, you know, but if I do catch something, that's bonus. So anyway, I do appreciate you guys watching my videos. Please keep coming back watching what I'm catching here in Arizona, and keep your lines tight.